Today we are going to cover the now function, and then we'll also, explore some options of using the now function and creating different dates and metrics just from one formula. So as you can see, the now formula brings in the current day and the month and time. Below, we use the month function, and we put in the now function, and that gives us the month number. The year function, we still can put that now function within the year function, and it gives us the current year. We do the day and the month function, so it's combined, it's two functions within to make one. And we put the now function within that, and that gives us the days in the month. So there's 28 days in February. The network function, we still use the now function, and we put in the number of holidays, and that calculates the number of working days left in the month. And then we still use the now function, and we use the networks in the month function, and that will calculate the number of working days within the month. So again, this is kind of a catch-all, but this is very helpful, especially for calculating sales or trying to calculate salaries. But yeah, there's a lot of ways to calculate months and dates, especially with just a few formulas.